Tall in the saddle, we spent Christmas Day, driving the cattle over snow-covered plains. All of the good gifts given today, ours is the sky and the wide open range. Back in the cities, they have different ways: football and eggnog and Christmas parades. And I'll take the blanket and I'll take the reins. It's Christmas for cowboys and wide open plains.